Apple just released iOS 26.6, and while it may look like a small update, it actually includes important security fixes, bug fixes, and performance improvements. So before you hit that update button, here's everything you need to know in just 2 minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using an iPhone, don't skip this update. Let's quickly go through what's new in iOS 26.6. First, security improvements. Apple has patched several security vulnerabilities that could potentially be exploited by attackers. Even though you may never notice these changes, they help keep your iPhone and personal data much safer. That's one of the biggest reasons to update. Next, bug fixes. iOS 26.6 fixes a number of issues reported by users, including random app crashes, occasional system glitches, and improved overall stability. If you've experienced small problems after previous updates, this version should provide a smoother experience. Apple also made Spotlight search optimizations. Searching for apps, contacts, documents, or photos is now faster and more responsive. It's a small improvement, but it makes everyday use feel much smoother. And finally, better performance and battery optimization. Apple has fine-tuned system performance to improve responsiveness and efficiency. While you may not see dramatic battery gains, many users should notice smoother animations and better overall performance. So, should you update to iOS 26.6 if you want the latest security patches, bug fixes, and a more stable iPhone experience? Then yes, it's definitely worth installing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and the latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.